Year is 1571, a bustling trade port nestled in the heart of the Philippines. This is the birth of Manila. This city, founded by the Spanish conquistador Miguel López de Legazpi, was a beacon of commerce and opportunity. Manila's strategic location placed it squarely on the map of global trading routes. Merchants from across Asia were drawn to its shores, bringing goods, cultures, and ideas from afar. This vibrant blend of commerce and culture marked the dawn of Manila as a cosmopolitan hub. Over time, the city evolved, growing in size and influence. It wasn't long before Manila's potential caught the eye of the Spanish Empire. Recognizing its strategic importance, the Spanish transformed Manila into a crucial outpost, a gateway to the east. Thus, Manila started to weave its rich tapestry of history, transforming from a modest trading post into a vital outpost for the Spanish Empire. As Manila grew, it caught the eyes of many foreign powers. The allure of this burgeoning city was too tempting to resist, leading to a series of colonizations that would leave a profound impact on its cultural fabric. First came the Spaniards in the 16th century. Their 300 years of rule brought Christianity, the Spanish language, and a distinctive architectural style that still echoes in the city's oldest districts. The Intramuros, or the Walled City, is a living testament to this era, its cobblestone streets and grand cathedrals evoking the spirit of old Manila. Then, the city fell under American rule in the late 19th century. The Americans introduced democratic governance, English language education, and a more modern architectural style. They left a significant imprint on the city's infrastructure and education system. The 40s saw Manila under Japanese occupation during World War II. A dark and challenging period, it was marked by hardship and strife. But the city's indomitable spirit shone through, leading to a resilient fight for independence. Each wave of colonizers left their unique signature on Manila's culture, language, and architecture. The city, however, was never just a passive canvas. It absorbed, adapted, and at times resisted these influences, creating a rich, diverse tapestry of cultural heritage. These tumultuous periods of colonization left indelible marks on Manila, shaping the city's identity and spirit. This resilience and adaptability are the true hallmarks of Manila, a city that continues to evolve while remaining deeply rooted in its complex history. From the ashes of the past, Manila has risen as a modern metropolis. Post-World War II, Manila embarked on an ambitious journey of reconstruction and rapid urbanization. Out of the remnants of a war-torn city, skyscrapers began to pierce the sky, and a bustling metropolis was born. A city once ruled by foreign powers was now carving its own path, shaping its own destiny. In the latter half of the 20th century, Manila experienced an economic surge. Industries flourished, trade boomed, and the city became a hub of commerce and finance. The cityscape was transformed, with modern architecture standing alongside historic landmarks, painting a picture of a city that was moving forward without forgetting its past. Yet, Manila is more than just an economic powerhouse. It's a city pulsating with life, brimming with culture. Art thrives in its streets, music echoes from its corners, and the aroma of Filipino cuisine fills the air. It's a city where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly. But like any major city in the 21st century, Manila faces its fair share of challenges. From tackling urban poverty to addressing environmental concerns, the city grapples with issues that test its resilience. But Manila, with its indomitable spirit, continues to rise, to evolve, to aspire. Despite its rapid modernization, Manila never forgets its roots, remaining a living testament to its vibrant past. Manila, a city shaped by its past, forging ahead into the future. A city that has seen the rise and fall of empires, endured the hardship of colonization, and emerged stronger with each challenge. A city birthed in the 14th century, Manila has since then grown into a vibrant metropolis, a testament to the resilience and spirit of its people. From the ashes of the past, Manila has risen, carrying with it the echoes of history. It's a city steeped in a rich tapestry of cultures, a melting pot of influences that have shaped its identity. Bearing witness to a myriad of historical events, Manila has remained resilient, its pulse unbroken, its spirit unyielding. With each heartbeat, Manila whispers tales of its glorious past, while the rhythm of progress beats steadily in the background. A city that has survived centuries of change, Manila is a testament to the strength and resilience of the Filipino people. Manila, the heartbeat of the Philippines, continues to beat strong, echoing the tales of its glorious past, and whispering the promises of an exciting future.